Do you love to share music with your friends? Whether it's a new song or your favorite mix, sharing music on Spotify isn't just fun, it's very easy. You might not be aware that Spotify offers a super simple way to share music. You can create a Spotify code for a song, album, playlist, artist profile, band profile, or even a podcast. Then share that code with your friend who can then enjoy the same item. I'll show you how to create these barcode-like QR codes using the Spotify service. You can grab a code from the Spotify app to share with a friend through email or messaging. Open the Spotify app on your iPhone or Android device. Navigate to the item you want to share. This can be a playlist in your library, an album you searched for, or a song you recently played. Tap the three dots for the item to open more options. You'll immediately see the Spotify code on the next screen. Tap the code to save it to your photos or capture a screenshot of the code, depending on your device's capabilities. You can then share the Spotify code like any other image and help your friend to listen to your song, playlist, or podcast. Even though getting a code from the Spotify app is easy, you can also create one on the web or using the desktop app. You can make a high-resolution image where you select the background color, bar color size, and image format for your Spotify code. To create a code on the web, you'll need to get the Spotify URI for the item you want to share. This is probably easiest if you have the Spotify web player open in another browser tab, although you can also copy the URI from the desktop app. In either of these players, select the three dots next to an item to display more options. Now select Share and then choose Copy Spotify URI. If you don't see this action, press and hold your Alt key in Windows or your Option key on Mac to display it in the pop-out menu. With the URI copied to your clipboard, follow these steps to create and customize your Spotify code. First, we're going to head to a specific Spotify code site to create your code. You don't have to sign into your account to create the code. Visit the Spotify code's website at the address you see on your screen now. Paste the URI into the box on the left. You can do this easily by right-clicking and choosing Paste. If the box is populated with an example, be sure to remove that text first or select it all and paste a URI in its place. Now select Get Spotify Code and you'll see the code and customization options on the right side. You can choose a background color or enter the hex code for a specific color. Then choose the bar color from white or black, enter a size in pixels, and pick a format for the image from JPEG, PNG, or SVG. When you're done, select Download to save the image to your computer. You can then post your code on social media, send it through an email, share it in a message, or any way you like. If you want to know how to scan a Spotify code, check out the article linked in the description below. See you next time.